kids, let's do an interesting activity. Paper collage. You have been provided colored papers to do this activity. First, tear the given paper into small pieces. Now, paste them to make the paper collage and color the remaining picture with crayons. Hey kids, it really looks beautiful.